MTB box just came. This is the ice fishing one. I ordered the ice fishing one because I've never gotten it before and because I really want to try some ice fishing this year. So, let's get right into it. This is the February MTB box. Ice fishing version. Alright, so first bait in the box is a Arnold Tackle Co. premium lures and accessories for ice fishing. I'm not even sure what these are called. What they are. Oh, I think on the back. Okay, so they have scent, a versatile design, and I'm not even sure what these are called. I would just call them like some. It just looks like they look like grubs with like different kinds of tails on them. All right, I'll just call them some like special grubs. And then a Kender's tungsten jig. Cool color to it. I'm not sure what like the fishing color is, but it's like the color sort of jet fuel. It looks pretty cool. I will try this. The hook's really small, so I could catch any kind of fish with this pretty much. Then a Hilbrand ice lure. Slabmaster red hooks. It also has a glow to it. That's pretty cool. Next thing in the box. Watsit ice jig. They look like just like small sort of plastic flies or little craws, and two small jig heads. Pretty cool. Oh, this I like the look of this one. A Lunker Hunt Hatch natural weighted lure. Let's open this up because this looks really interesting. I will say, it's sort of heavy. I bet I could just plain cast this out too. Not just like ice fishing. I bet I could just actually cast it out because it sort of reminds me of a Lipper's crank. I will try that out in a later video. Put that back in there somehow. Whatever. Then a Lucky John original balanced lure. It has a treble and a single hook on each side. That's pretty cool. So like if a fish bites it from the back or the front, it'll still get hooked. That's pretty cool. And then I got a sticker. Yeah, I got my sticker in the background now. It looks pretty nice. Then some Divil Digest with a list of fishing related injuries and 5 best ways to fish a jerkbait. Pretty interesting stuff in here. But I don't see anything about ice fishing here, even though this is an ice fishing box. That's pretty weird, but I'm pretty satisfied with my box. Pretty cool. Thanks for watching, guys.